What's the meaning of butane? Butane. Butane.
Butane. Butane. Butane is a hydrocarbon compound that belongs to the alkane family, which consists of molecules made up of single-bonded carbon and hydrogen atoms. The chemical formula for butane is C4H10, which means it contains 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. Butane is commonly used as a fuel because it burns cleanly and efficiently with little residue or harmful emissions. When butane is burned in the presence of oxygen, it undergoes complete combustion and produces carbon dioxide and water vapor as byproducts. It is also used as a propellant in aerosol cans and as a refrigerant in some applications.